The tablescape sat 24 chairs, each with a green Camp Mystic ribbon, with each girl's name written in beautiful gold writing by the right girl. Grasses and greenery that were actually on the centerpieces were collected across Texas, actually by my husband the day before, from Midland through Kerrville. This is our way to really give back, and to not only raising money for Kerrville and the flood fund, but also to those families who are hurting. We want them to really feel uplifted and knowing that there's people out there who will always remember. Hi everybody, my name is Brooke Conaway. I'm the owner of Cat Haas Collective here in New Braunfels, Texas. We have a lot of things that we love to do, and with our art, we love to express different emotions, through our tablescaping. The girls specifically from Camp Mystic really stood out to me, because immediately when you hear news like that, you go into shock, and you go into a place that is dark, and you put yourself into those shoes of those families, and then to that community. And then as a wedding planner, all the dreams that were lost that day. So thank you so much to all of the vendors who came out to put in their hard work and love and talents into what we did that day. We had so many wonderful, wonderful people just even taking the day off work to be there and to support. So we're eternally grateful for that, and we just hope that we made our Texas Strong family proud.